Unina walomfana usezinhlungwini. Ubukhumbula kahle ubusuku bokushona kwendodana yakhe. Uthi namanje asamthikameza engqondweni amanxeba okugwazwa awabona endodaneni yakhe.
When I uncovered his gown, I saw multiple stabs on his back, but I felt so hopeless because I couldn't pick him up. I couldn't move him.
Lomfana ubenabangani bakhe ngesikhathi ebulawa ngesihluku.
His children are alive. His children are okay. Who's gonna bring back my child? Is he gonna bring back my child? If I had the strength to pick my child up at that moment, I would have done it. And if I would have got closure.
Kwakhiwe isikhumbuzo lapho lomfana ashonela khona.
All we as the neighborhood watch, or me as a human being, want justice to be served, so that the young boy's mother and family can also be comforted.
Umsolwa kuthiwa uzinikele emaphoyiseni ngemuva kokugwaza lomfana. Kulindeleke ukuthi abuyele enkantolo ngesonto elizayo.